The most durable smartphone in Malaysia is getting even better this time. The Honor X90 has officially landed in Malaysia, and aside from having a more durable build quality, there's got some big upgrades over the previous model that makes it a very impressive device for under 1,500 ringgit. But before we start the video, alright, no cracks, let's begin the video. The Honor X9 series has always been built with durability in mind, but that doesn't mean it needs to be super thick and ugly, because the Honor X90 now looks even more premium than ever with a gold color frame and a brown vegan leather bag. To make the Honor X90 even stronger, Honor has refined the structure of the phone once again with a bulletproof-inspired shock absorption framework, combined with ultra-deep tempered glass that's reinforced with Gorilla Glass Victus 2. It boosts the overall impact resistance by 112% when compared to the Honor X9C. And in the real world, it can withstand accidental falls of up to 2.5 meters on all kinds of hard surfaces. Therefore, the Honor X9d has received the industry-first SGS Triple Resistant Premium Performance certification. What you might not expect Honor to do is to make the Honor X90 an IP69K dust and water resistant device. It is the first phone to have such high IP rating that can survive up to 6 meters of water submersion and resist high temperature water jets of up to 85 degrees Celsius. It can even survive under 1 meter of water for 30 days with no damage, and the speakers can eject water when taken out of submersion. This is the kind of durability that you wouldn't find on phones with such a form factor. Honor is so confident about this that it is giving a 1-year liquid damage protection and a 365-day front and back cracked glass replacement. Despite its slim 7.76mm body profile, the Honor X90 comes with a supersized 8300 mAh silicon carbon battery, up from the 6600 mAh battery on the Honor X9C. The Honor X9D's large battery can easily offer up to 3 days of moderate use, which is an insane battery life for a smartphone of its class. And if you think it will take a while to charge, the phone supports 66 watts Honor Supercharge that will fully charge the phone from a flat battery in 90 minutes. Even when it only has 2% of battery left, you can still make up to 60 minutes of phone calls. Performance of the Honor X90 has gotten a lot better with the Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 processor with 12 gigs of RAM and up to 512 gigs of storage. It promises 29% improvement in graphics and 11% improvement in CPU performance over the Honor X9C. And this is totally perceivable when I launch apps and play games. The Honor X90 also comes with Honor AI features that enhances productivity, such as AI Translate that lets you do real-time interpretation, and AI Transcribe in Honor Notes transcribes recorded meeting minutes for easy reference. The Honor X90 now comes with a larger and upgraded 6.79-inch OLED display with flat size and 120Hz refresh rate that makes navigating around easier than before. It is also super bright with a 6000 nits peak brightness when watching HDR content and has a 3840Hz PWM dimming that eliminates headaches. This great visual experience is accompanied by an upgraded stereo loudspeaker that has a 400% ultra volume with better bass. Although the Honor X90 retains the same camera setup as before with a 108MP ultra-sensing main camera with OIS complemented by a 5MP ultra-wide, image quality seems to have slightly improved due to the better ISP of the Snapdragon 6 Gen 4. It is a very usable camera in general lighting conditions, and you just have to be a little patient when using it in low light. The front 60MP camera takes reasonably good looking selfies as usual. On top of that, you get great AI image editing features such as AI Eraser and AI Outpainting. These are my favorite features on Honor phones which I use very often. The Honor X90 is ready to dominate the segment with so many big upgrades. It retails similarly as last year with a starting price of 1499 ringgit for the 256GB storage model and 1699 ringgit for the 512GB storage model. But what's even more exciting is that Honor has a killer pre-order deal for the phone, which you will receive a free Honor Pad X7 tablet, 365-day front and back crack replacement, a 1-year extended warranty and liquid damage protection worth 1,146 ringgit when you pre-order the phone from 24th September to 9th October 2025. So what are your thoughts about the Honor X9d? Tell me about it in the comments down below, and thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next one.